Okay, now let us take the complex problem of AIEEE 2009, and I suppose this is the one of the best questions of the paper according to the difficulty level as well, and as according to the mathematics level. Let us see what it says, that mod of z minus 4 by z is equal to 2. Then you have to find the maximum value of mod z. Alright, at the first go you are not able to understand what does this question means, unless and until a student has done this kind of problem, only he will be able to solve it. Alright, so let's see how to solve this, and it will be better if you can just remember the steps that we are going to follow in this question. Okay, let's see. Mod z, I can write mod z in terms of this equation as also. How? Let's see. If I just add minus 4z plus z, sorry, this is not z, this will be 4 by z. Alright, so this is 4 by z. So there is no harm in it because I am adding and subtracting the same term. And if I just club this, which is over here, with plus 4 by z. Alright, now I'll try to use a property in mod, that if c is equal, mod c is equal to mod of a plus b, then if I have to take modulus on individual a and b in these this one, then it will always be less than equal to mod a plus mod b, because this mod a and mod b will be always greater than their sums mod. Alright, this is very obvious. You can, most of the students must be remembering this property, and those who have not remembered this, you can just put in values of a and b, one negative and one positive, to understand the concept. Alright, so if I do the same thing here, so that means mod z is less than equal to mod of z minus 4 by z plus mod of 4 by z. Alright, I can say this, and this value we know is given in the question to be equal to 2. So the question becomes mod z less than equal to 2 plus, and mod, we know that mod a by mod b is nothing but mod a by mod b, and here mod 4 will be 4 only, so you can just write it down as this thing. Alright, now if I try to make quadratic in here by doing this step, now 2 mod z plus 4 by mod z, now I can cross multiply here, but some good students might ask that you cannot be sure of multiplying mod z because you don't know what is the value of mod z. So if you see in the options that we are looking forward to, it's not 0. It is not 0 and it is positive. First of all, the only problem is that when we cross multiply in the inequalities, we'll have to check that if you are cross multiplying with a negative term, the sign will go on change. But we know that mod here is a positive quantity, so I can cross multiply. Alright, so this will be mod z square less than equal to 2 mod z plus 4. And if you see, this becomes a very much quadratic in mod z. Alright, so this is this will be minus 4 instead of plus 4. Alright, so the answer lies in this quadratic equation answers only. So now this has reduced to again a quadratic equation, and for those who do not have any confusion about this, you can just put it down mod z is equal to t, which is very easy. So this becomes t square minus 2t minus 4 less than equal to 0. Alright, so alright, now we just need to solve this quadratic equation, which says the root. Let's find the roots of its this quadratic first. This will be plus minus b square minus 4ac, b is 2, so this is 4 minus plus 16, 4ac by 2, so this will come out to be 2 plus minus root 20. Root 20 is basically 2 root 5. Alright, 2 root 5 by 2, so that means t will be equal to 1 plus minus root 5. And if we draw this now on a number line, so this will be 1 minus root 5, and this will be 1 plus root 5. Applying the wavy curve method, this will be plus, minus, and plus over here. So we require the answer for less than equal to 0 part, which will be this region. Alright, so that means mod z must be greater than or equal to minus 1 by root 5 to 1 plus root 5. So basically the maximum value of this mod z can be now 1 plus root 5, as we have already found in the question. So in case if you were asked to find minimum value of z, then also you could have found very easily, because you have already done that. That will be 1 minus root 5. Alright, so this is a very standard question. Just remember how to solve this kind of questions, because you can only solve these kind of questions when you know how to solve them. So it was a very, you can say it's a difficult problem. Not many people will be able to solve that in the paper. Okay.